Welcome, today in front of me OPPO F21 Pro 5G, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first, let's open notification panel, and here we can see just the icons. If you want to add some icons here, more icons, or remove some of these icons, or just to change their position, you have to click here on this edit icon. Here on this down section, you'll see these the icons which you can add to your device, just a bar. For example, let's add power save mode here, and for example the Google Assistant. We can just do it so simple. If you want to remove some icons, for example the screen lock and the eye comfort, hold and drag it to the down section. As you can see, that's so simple. And to change the positions, you just should hold and drag it by this way. And as to save the changes, go back, and now we can see here that the changes saved successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.